what is the FDA's stance on the use of stem cells? The FDA has been pretty firm on the use of autologous stem cells, and I've even read statements that are not in favor. And so what that means is if the stem cell was pulled out of a donor, it's spun down, and re-injected back into the donor is something that is frowned on by the FDA, and somewhat rightly so. There's an increased amount of certain risks with procedures like that, and there's not as good of response from cells like that. Now, in terms of the cells we use here, which are umbilical cord derived stem cells, those are all coming from FDA approved labs and tissue banks. So we don't give anything to a patient that hasn't been properly screened. It's not approved, coming from an approved FDA lab. And I should say as well, again, stem cells are widely used. These are not a marginalized treatment. So even today, 185 active human clinical trials, approved clinical trials, are underway right now using stem cells. Even in Washington State here, the University of Washington is using them as well.